Assalamu alaikum class 4. I hope that you are working well and are in best of your health. It's a bit pleasant today, quite sunny. Inshallah the weather will get favorable soon. Okay, now coming back to our lesson, it's 19th of January today, 2021, and the day is Tuesday. Unit number 10, colonization is in progress these days. We had read about particular colonies in Europe and Portuguese, and the Portuguese colony which was developed in Goa, India. And then we read about the colonies in South America, Spanish colonies in South America. Because the king and queen of Spain gave the explorers land and gold to find out a route to different areas of the world. So all the way they found interesting things and facts about the world, right? And it is an interesting unit because I have started reading about colonization a few days back when I was about to prepare your lessons, and I found it quite interesting that how the world has seen different histories, and the history is really very interesting to read. So today what we'll be doing question answers related to whatever we had read in the previous lesson. The reading of page number 86 and 87 we had done. We will be doing question answers related to that particular content, and then we'll do further reading of this unit. We had read about Spanish colonies in South America. In South America. That when Columbus took Hispaniola, many more Spanish explorers went there to take land and gold for the king and queen of Spain. And a lot of them were soldiers. They were having cannons and guns and fighting dogs. And they also started making colonies in Puerto Rico. Right? So the king and queen of Spain gave the explorers land and gold, and they became very rich. And they became too rich that they started making native people their slaves. उन्होंने कहा जी बड़ा पैसा आ गया, अब तो गुलाम रखने चाहिए. ठीक है? Native people into slaves, because native people were not that rich. And these people who were sent by the Spanish king and queen, they were rich exactly because they were having lots of gold with them. But the chief of these native people prepared a huge army against the Spaniards, but they were killed by the Spanish people. And without leader, these native people stopped fighting and became their slaves for the survival of their life. Right? Then we read about the Brazilian colonization. Like the Portuguese started to make colonies in Brazil as well. Brazil is also in South America, and they made friends with native people and helped them to fight with us. This is the difference between the Spanish colonies and the Portuguese and the Brazilian colonies. Because Spanish people made the native people their slaves, and Spanish colonies, we have just read that they made them slaves. Native people, but Brazilian, the Portuguese made the native people their friends, right? And Christian priests worked with the native people and learned their language, and they started helping and working with these native people. The priests saved as many as they could from becoming slaves for Portuguese landowners. ऑनर। ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे ही पोर्टुगीज बड़े प्रॉपर पॉजिटिव रहे उनके साथ, लेकिन जो लैंड ऑनर्स थे ना, जागीरदार थे, उन्होंने कोशिश की कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को अपना गुलाम बना लें। लेकिन यहाँ के जो इनके जो प्रीस्ट थे पोर्टुगीज के, उन्होंने कोशिश की और उन्होंने बचाया बहुत सारे लोगों को गुलाम बनने से, स्लेव्स। ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद ये एक पॉइंट था दैट नेटिव पीपल कॉट यूरोपियन डिजीजेस। अब उनको नई बीमारियां लग गई ना, इंपोर्टेड बीमारियां लग गई उनको, यूरोप से आई हुई बीमारियां, और वो सरवाइव नहीं कर पाए, बहुत से लोग मर गए। देखिए, जब एक इलाके में एक नई बीमारी जाती है ना, तो उसका इलाज तो होता नहीं है, लोगों को पता नहीं होता उसके सिम्टम्स के बारे में, उसके इलाज के बारे में, तो बहुत से लोग उसका शिकार बन जाते हैं, यानी जान चली जाती है बहुत से लोगों की। रिसेंटली आप लोग भी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, हम लोग भी कर रहे हैं कि कोविड की वजह से कितना नुकसान दुनिया में हुआ है, क्योंकि ये एक नई बीमारी थी, इसका कोई इलाज नहीं था, इसके सिम्टम्स लोगों को बाद में पता चलनी शुरू हुई हैं, इसकी वजह से इतना नुकसान हो गया। ठीक है, तो यही सीन था स्पेनिश और पोर्टुगीज के साथ। नाउ व्हाट वी विल डू, विल स्टार्ट विद आवर क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। यू विल राइट देम इन योर नोटबुक्स, प्लीज मेक देम ready in front of you. Margin line, date and day, unit number 10, colonization. Everything must be written very neatly in your copies. Okay, let's start with it. Question number 1. Let's read it together. What did the Portuguese want from the forests of Brazil? What for? क्या मतलब है सवाल का? पहले मतलब बताएं, क्या समझ आया? सौम्या जी, कि पोर्टुगीज के लोगों को ब्राजील के जंगलात में से क्या चाहिए था और क्यों चाहिए था? वी हैव रेड दिस इन द यूनिट। We'll start from the question. The Portuguese wanted what? The Portuguese. Exactly, Soumya. Very good. Wanted Brazil wood. Brazil wood. कहां से चाहिए थे उनको? From the forests. कहां के forests? Of Brazil. क्यों? For what? Yes, to make red dye. बिल्कुल ठीक. The Portuguese wanted Brazil wood from the forests of Brazil to make red dye. रंग चाहिए था उनको, लाल रंग का, लाल रंग चाहिए था उनको, जो ब्राजील वुड की लकड़ी बनाती है पोर्टुगीज को। द पोर्टुगीज वांटेड ब्राजील वुड फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट्स ऑफ ब्राजील टू मेक रेड डाई. ब्राजील. The questions are long of this unit, I'm telling you. So I'll be doing one by one. I'm taking a pause in between so that you people could complete it properly. What did the Portuguese want from the forests of Brazil? And what for? The Portuguese wanted Brazil wood from the forests of Brazil to make red dye. Done? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Question number 2. Question number 2. How did the Portuguese harm the native people by accident? यानी ना चाहते हुए भी पोर्टुगीज के लोगों ने आबाई, ब्राजील के नेटिव जो लोग हैं, आबाई लोग हैं रहने वाले, उनको कैसे नुकसान पहुंचा दिया? उनको नहीं पता था कि ये होगा, लेकिन वो हो गया, एक्सीडेंटली हो गया ना, जानबूझ के नहीं हुआ. क्या हुआ बताइए हसनैन? बीमारियां, बिल्कुल सही पहुंचे हैं आप. The Portuguese harmed the native people accidentally as the native people caught their diseases and many of them died. The Portuguese harmed the native people accidentally as the native people caught their diseases and many of them died. मर गए ना बहुत से लोग बेचारे. Let me repeat it. Question is, how did the Portuguese harm the native people by accident? The Portuguese harmed the native people accidentally as the native people caught their diseases and many of them died. Note it down. Question number 3. Again, a bit long question. Were the Christian priests good to the people of Brazil? Explain your answer. अब क्रिश्चियन पादरी जो थे उनके, वो वहां के लोगों से अच्छे थे. हमने पढ़ा है अच्छे थे, लेकिन क्यों थे अच्छे ये बताइए. पहला फ्रेज क्या होगा ऑफ आवर, पहला पार्ट ऑफ आवर आंसर. The Christian priests were good to the people of Brazil, but how? How can you say that they were good? सोचिए Heather. Meanwhile, I'll write the first part of your sentence, of your answer. Were good to the people of Brazil as, कैसे, क्या सिखाया उन्होंने? जी, as they worked with the local people, वहां के नेटिव लोगों के साथ वो काम करते थे. as they worked with them means the people of Brazil and learned their language, उनकी जबान सीखी. Plus, they also saved many of them. They also saved many of them from, क्या बनने से बचाया? From becoming slaves. उनको गुलाम बनने से बचा लिया Christian priests ने. Let's read it together. The Christian priests were good to the people of Brazil as they worked with them and learned their language. They also saved many of them from becoming slaves. Acha, the questions are written here on page number 88. See this. If you have any difficulty in writing the questions from the board, these questions are here. This is my homework which I have done on the book. I am sorry for that. क्योंकि हमने भी तो तैयारी करनी होती है ना लेसन की, तो ये मैंने अपने लिए कन्वीनियंस के लिए लिखा है सारा, ताकि मैं आपका टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूं. तो आप लोग यहाँ से पेज नंबर इज 88. ओके, फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 88 क्वेश्चंस आर हियर. यू मे राइट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम हियर एंड आंसर्स फ्रॉम द बोर्ड. Fine? Shall we move forward? Okay. Question number 4, the last one. How was this different from the way the priests in Goa treated the native people? Now we have just written that the Christian priests were very good to the native people and they learned their language and they saved many of them from becoming slaves. But opposite was the case with the priests in Goa. ठीक है, उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने सबको वहां के बहुत से लोगों को मजबूर किया कि वो क्रिश्चियंस बन जाएं, और यहाँ तक कि उनको सजाएं दी. वो क्रिश्चियन नहीं बने तो उनको सजाएं दी और उनको कईयों को मार भी दिया इसी उसमें कि ये क्रिश्चियंस नहीं बने. ठीक है, तो लेट्स मेक इट कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव. द प्रीस्ट इन गोवा let's write the priests in Goa forced the native people to accept Christianity. They also punished and even killed many for not doing so. The priests in Goa forced the native people to accept Christianity. They also punished and even killed many for not doing so. यानी इनको मजबूर किया वो क्रिश्चियनिटी मजहब अपना लें, और जो नहीं कर रहे थे उनको सजाएं दे रहे थे, यहाँ तक कि उनको मार भी रहे थे. तो दिस इज द opposite behavior of Christian priests with the people of Brazil and the priests when they went to make a colony in Goa. Goa is in India. Okay, let's revise all the questions and answers once again. Question number 1 is here. I have drawn a separator in between. ठीक है, क्योंकि बड़ा लिखना होता है ना हमें, आपको सब क्लियर हो जाए. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. व्हाट डिड द पोर्टुगीज, ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में ऊपर वाला बिल्कुल ही काट देती हूँ. व्हाट डिड द पोर्टुगीज वांट फ्रॉम द forests of Brazil, and what for? The Portuguese wanted Brazil wood from the forests of Brazil to make red dye. To make red dye. Is it clear? Question number 2. How did the Portuguese harm the native people by accident? The Portuguese harmed the native people accidentally as the native people caught their diseases and many of them died. Number 3. Were the Christian priests good to the people of Brazil? Explain your answer. Let me adjust the camera. Like this. The Christian priests were good to the people of Brazil as they worked with them and learned their language. They also saved many of them from becoming slaves. Fine. Last one, question number 4. Question number 4. How was this different from the way the priests in Goa treated the native people? The priests in Goa forced the native people to accept Christianity. They also punished and even killed many for not doing so. Right? So we have done 4 questions along with their answers. They are a bit lengthier, but you need not to worry. I will give you enough time to complete your work, and in the next lesson we'll do reading of the next pages of this unit, inshallah. And then whatever will be the requirement of the lesson, that will be done. So please try completing your work on time. इसके लिए मैं आपको काफ़ी टाइम देती हूँ रिटन वर्क के लिए, इसलिए आपने परेशान नहीं होना. और प्लीज़ खिचड़ी नहीं पकानी, बहुत नीट काम करके आपने भेजना है ताकि हम चेक कर सकें. ओके, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़.